PineStem, your intelligent partner in project management. Now that you are done with assigning tasks to the developers, let's take a look at the different phases the task goes through in PineStem. PineStem updates the developers through an email whenever a new task is assigned to them. Developers' part is not only limited to coding, but they also involve in different categories like documentation and unit testing to complete a task. This is the reason why PineStem introduced billing status. Developers log their efforts by choosing the appropriate billing status based on the work they have done. Developers can log their hours by adding the efforts for accomplishing the task. PineStem sends the billing history to the person who is assigned to along with the project manager through the send email feature. These efforts are categorized into billable and non-billable hours. Hours taken to finish the task comes under billable hours. Developers spent time exploring various topics related to the task, so the extra hours spent in exploring and learning goes under non-billable hours. Along with the hours logged, the developer can add the code status which reflects the percentage of development done on that task. PineStem helps you to easily analyze the developer's competency. It evaluates the potential and efficiency of a developer by considering the hours logged under development status along with the code status. After accomplishing the task, the job of the developer is not yet done. The developer assigns the task back to the project manager by changing the status as integration ready and adding the appropriate comments to review the work that developer has done. The project manager then reviews the work done by the developer and adds the suitable comments to the task. To hand over a good quality product to the customer, the project must go through the deeper levels of testing. Once the review has been done by the project manager, the developer assigns the task to the software QA by changing the status to dev testing and by adding the required documents in the comment. A full-fledged task is done only when it is being tested in an appropriate way. Testing results in a quality outcome. It's now QA's turn to make efforts to get a productive outcome.